Hello, hello, baby, you come.
Oras na.
It's 4 o'clock na.
Si Julie kumain. Pero kayo, paano kayo?
Nay, what do you want to eat? Ano gusto mo, Nay? What do you want to eat?
Ay, ako, ayaw. Consumption.
Nay, what do you want to eat?
Ha?
What do you want to eat? What do you
Ay, ako, no problem ko eh.
You need to eat.
No, you.
No. No, Nay, forgetting that. You need to eat.
Ashley, Sameng, and you. Forget that too.
Nanay, we need to feed you too.
I have rice there, and then sugar. That's it.
You eat rice and sugar?
Yeah. Order na kami.
Are you sure, Nay?
Ano? Wala pang baon si Ashley dito.
Okay, I'll help.
Anong oras dumarating ang titilayo mo?
Where's the phone? Nay. Nay. You can use where's the phone? Oh, so you don't want to eat anything, Nay?
Tama na yan, oh. Hindi ba kahapon din?
Oh, okay na.
Oh, yan pala. Bakit ba? Plato na yan, kahit pa